All right, one, two, testing, testing, testing. I'm sorry, testing. All right, one, two, one, two. All right, guys, can you hear me? If you can hear me, please type yes on the chat. Yeah, there is a couple of things that I want to go through before the open. So we are 50 minutes away. All right. Good morning, Tim. How are you, mate? How are you? All right, so I have this possible long on the footsie. I will go through that in a minute. I do like this. I do like this. This possible setup on the footsie a ton. Good day, Michelle. How are you? Good day. Hello, music. Hello, Ingrid. Waiting for goal mapping. Good morning, Jorge da Silva. How are you, mate? Yeah, I just moved to a new place, and I had two. Uh, I I had two connections, but because of where I live now, it's kind of far away in the woods. you know, my internet sucked, so I had to, to get a third connection, which is the one that I'm using, and which is the one that works perfectly right now. So we are back fully engaged in the market. My first trade of today was a loss, 0.7% loss on the US dollar Japanese yen short during the Asian session. This was my trade. In hindsight, I had two positions, two possible positions, right? Two possible setups. The other one was this one on the US, on the GBP Japanese yen, right? This was my trade on the GBP Japanese yen. My possible setup that hit targets, you know, but the best one, the best setup was on the US dollar Japanese yen. That's what I took, the US dollar Japanese yen and on the pound yen. And also the pound yen, the pound yen move was a pound driven move, not a Japanese yen driven move. So that, so that's fine. My idea here on the Japanese yen was and still is, made, to be completely honest. If you look at what has happened here on the Japanese yen side, right, we have a clear shift in the at least the immediate trend. Yes, I was trying, to trade a reversal on the Japanese yen, but I do believe that we are still good for a possible long continuation. Right now, I'm not going to look for Japanese yen longs right now. Right, I am focusing on the open on. Hello, Bin. How are you? I'm focusing on this possible footsie long, right? I do like this possible setup on the footsie. More so because this particular chart does not show it, but let me show you how it looks. We have this big gap on the footsie. This is a gap that was created at the Asian Session Open. I don't trade gaps, at the session opens. I don't do that. Or at, Monday, Sunday's open. I don't do that. Right? Because one, there's absolutely no way to put your stop losses correctly, etc. But now that I saw this, how, the FTSE took out at this lows right here, more so took out these lows and also took out these highs, shifting what seems to be right seems to be shifting the immediate sentiment in this market from immediately bearish to bullish, right? So This big spike in price action is what triggered my trade idea, right? My entry is right here at the middle of this imbalance, right? I haven't been triggered just yet. My stop losses are below the lows. I mean, my ultimate targets at are are at the structure highs, but because I am trading what was it? I think it is a 5R. This is a 5R, possible 5R on the FTSE long. I will. All right, I'm back. I think. Yeah, I'm sorry about that. Hello, I'm back, guys. 1, 2, testing. I am back. Can you guys hear me? All right, so I'm back. Shit, I'm sorry. I'm still working on setting up my my studio here. But anyways, all right. So let's do this. We are 4 minutes away until the open. Like I told you, I'm still setting up this. This sucks. God damn it, man. You have no idea how infuriating this is. I have three fucking connections now. Without counting my mobile connections. That makes five, and none of them fucking works. But you know what? Nevertheless, we are here. So the market is about to open, and I don't know. I don't know why the fuck this isn't working. I have no idea, mate. I'm sorry. Come on, fill us in. Boom. All right, in.